guys, welcome to my new video. And today here in this video I'll just give you a simple idea or discuss about how you can configure ADT plugin, that is Android Development Toolkit plugin in Eclipse. It is very useful for Android application development, or it is the most important for the Android application development. So here are the softwares required. You need Eclipse, and then you need, wait a minute, you need this ADT 23.0.7. You can get it in the link in the description below, find on the internet. It'll be better if you just click on the description below. So enjoy this, guys. I actually forgot to mention that it's offline, completely offline. Just you need to download that ADT, that is Android Development whatever. So let's get started. First of all, click on here, Eclipse, and wait till it opens. Just wait. So it has opened, guys. So after it's opening, just you need to wait. Just you need to nothing. You'll see some kind of, if you are just opening from new, but whatever, you have something in common, that's this toolbar up front. It will be the same. So just go to the, in help, then go in the install new softwares whatever button, then wait for some period of time, then here click on add, click on archive or archive, whatever you say. Just scroll down to wherever you have kept that ADT 2.0.7 or 27.0.7. so here I have kept in Android Development Softwares. Then just click on here, then open it, and just click on OK, and you'll find here this developer tools, all as I've already installed. So here it's all items are installed. If you haven't installed, then just click developer tools, then next, then it's okay, guys, you'll be done. And here's some security warning will also come. Just click on OK, or just click on cancel and exit there, but I'll prefer to go to OK. So that's it, guys. Just hit next, finish, then you're done. So hope you like my video, or hope you enjoyed my video. It's a note for all, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. It's the most important button there. You just need to subscribe once. I need nothing from you but that city subscribe button to be clicked and made valid. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button.